Metalworking projects have been an integral part of human civilization for thousands of years, playing a crucial role in the development of tools, weapons, machinery, and infrastructure. In today's modern society, metalworking projects continue to be essential for various industries, including construction, manufacturing, aerospace, automotive, and more. The significance of metalworking projects in our daily lives is undeniable, and they are crucial for the advancement of technology and innovation. As a metal worker, there are several furniture and decorative pieces you can make. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metalworking project ideas you can consider making. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So if that's your area of interest, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Metal, a material synonymous with strength, durability and endless possibilities, has been a vital part of human advancement for millennia. From the first crude tools to the towering skyscrapers of today, metalworking has shaped our world. But in an age dominated by advanced technology and mass production, one might question the continued relevance of metalworking projects. However, the answer lies not just in the functionality of metal objects, but in the very act of creation itself. Metalworking projects offer a unique blend of practicality, skill development and artistic expression, making them more relevant than ever. Metalworking projects contribute significantly to the economy by creating job opportunities, generating revenue, and driving innovation. The metalworking industry employs millions of people worldwide, from skilled craftsmen to engineers and designers. These projects also support other industries such as mining, transportation, and logistics, creating a ripple effect throughout the economy. Metalworking projects are essential for construction of furniture, buildings, bridges, roads, and other infrastructure. Metals like steel, aluminum, and copper are commonly used due to their strength, durability, and versatility. Metalworking projects ensure that structures are built to withstand environmental factors and provide long-lasting solutions. That's one of the reasons why outdoor furniture pieces are mainly made of metal. Metalworking projects play a vital role in the manufacturing sector by producing components, parts, and products for various industries. Metalworking projects enable the mass production of goods that are essential for our daily lives. Advanced metalworking techniques such as CNC machining have revolutionized the manufacturing process, making it faster, more efficient, and cost-effective. Metalworking projects are as crucial for applications where precision engineering and high-performance materials are required. Artisans use metalworking projects to ensure the reliability, safety, and performance of their products. The use of advanced alloys and composites in metalworking projects has enabled the development of cutting-edge techniques that push the boundaries of what is possible. Metalworking projects drive innovation by pushing the boundaries of what is possible with metal materials. From nanotechnology to smart materials, metalworking projects enable the creation of new technologies that revolutionize industries and improve our quality of life. Research and development in metalworking projects lead to breakthroughs in material science, engineering design, and manufacturing processes that pave the way for future advancements. Metalworking projects play a crucial role in promoting environmental sustainability by recycling scrap metal, reducing waste, and improving energy efficiency. Sustainable practices in metalworking projects help minimize the environmental impact of manufacturing processes and contribute to a more eco-friendly future. The use of recycled materials in metalworking projects reduces the need for mining raw materials and conserves natural resources. Metalworking projects are not only functional but also serve a form of artistic expression. Metal artists and craftsmen create sculptures, jewelry, furniture, and other decorative pieces using traditional and contemporary metalworking techniques. These artistic creations showcase the beauty and versatility of metals while preserving cultural heritage and traditions. In conclusion, metalworking projects are essential for modern society due to their economic impact, infrastructure development, manufacturing capabilities, innovation and technology advancements, environmental sustainability efforts, and artistic expression. The continued evolution of metalworking projects will drive progress in various industries and shape the future of technology and innovation. As we look towards a more sustainable and interconnected world, metalworking projects will play a crucial role in shaping our society for generations to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked metalworking project ideas you can consider making. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.